Hello guys, welcome back to Foodright Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making peanut sweets or peanut candy or peanut bar, whatever name you want to call it. In Nigerian, I also call it alewangeda. So stay tuned and follow the step-by-step process. To make the peanut sweet, you will need peanuts, raw peanut, like uncooked peanuts. You can see how the inside look. So uncooked one, sugar, then sunflower oil. So stay tuned and follow the step-by-step process. So first thing, I'm going to pour this in the tray and roast it for just 20 minutes so that it will enable me to peel the skin, because at the moment, as you can see, I'm trying to peel one, is hard for me to peel out one. This is the peanut after 20 minutes of roasting. So I'm going to be leaving it to cool down for just 10 minutes or maybe less. It depends on how it gets to cool down quickly. Then I'll peel it and grind it. This is it after 10 minutes of cooling down. So if you notice, the skin is coming off easily now, unlike before I roasted it in the oven. You know, it was hard to peel. The skin was hard to peel off. It's quite easy now. I'll peel it off and blow, you know, the skin off the peanut. This is how you peel the peanut after you roast it for 20 minutes. All you do, you put your hand together, handful, you squeeze it together, or you do this, then they're gonna be coming off. Okay guys, so this is it after peeling off the skin. As you can see, everything is off, it's neat, it's nice and neat. So I'm going to be grinding it. So guys, so this is it after I grind the peanut. You can see you can see some peanut inside, like whole peanuts. So this is exactly how I want it to be. Yeah, I don't want it too smooth, though there's some smooth part of it, but then it's okay. So to make the peanut, then you add the sugar. Then you stir it continuously until the sugar gets melted. So keep stirring it until everything is melted. After the sugar have melted, you can then add the peanuts bit by bit. Okay, so first of all, before you roll the sweet peanut out, first of all brush the where you're going to be placing it, like so, with oil. You brush it with oil so to avoid oil to avoid the peanut sticking to it. So you brush it out just a little bit. Make sure it's not too much. So this is the peanut. As you can see, it's very thick. This is because of the sugar. So what you don't want is you don't want it to be cooled down before you start, you know, rolling it out. So all you do is get a knife and scrape, you know, the actual peanut out of the wooden spoon. You scrape it out, then instantly you pour it on the chopping board. Make sure it doesn't get cold before you do all this process. If not, it will be very hard. Then next, you use a parchment paper. Then you roll it out like so. You have to do this really fast before the sweet get hard. So after rolling it out, then you start the cutting. Remove the parchment paper. All you do is you use knife to cut it into desired sizes you want. All this process, make sure you do it when the sweet is still a bit warm. If not, it's going to be hard to, you know, to cut or to roll out. Alright guys, so I've come to the end of the video now. I hope you enjoyed this homemade peanut sweet, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, share with family and friends, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Remember to turn on your post notification for more cooking videos. You can also make one for yourself and let me know how it turns out in the comment section below. And remember guys, like I used to say, cooking is all about being creative. And I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye.